Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove the background on your videos in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can get started with creating composition. You'll be greeted by the composition menu right here where you want to go and select all your options, and after you have done so, click OK and you can get started creating your new project. So guys, let's say we have created our project already, you have added all your sources, you have added your videos and so on, but you want to go ahead and remove the background from your project. This is what we can do. Basically guys, Adobe After Effects has a feature and effect implemented that you can use that is called keying. Keying is the option we want to use for removing the background. So guys, go ahead and click right here at the right side of the screen. You'll be able to see the menu with all the options you can access. One of them is called effects and presets. So under effects and presets, let's go ahead and search. We will have the option to search for keys. So as you can see, we have multiple options now that pop up. Basically, what we can do is either use the keying effects right here, the color difference key. We can go ahead and check out the key cleaner, key light. You can go ahead and select whatever you might want to use. Go ahead and test it out to see how it works with your background, to see what's the best to go ahead and remove your background. You even have the blue blur or the green blur, whatever you might want to use. Go ahead and test out all the different options, see how they flare up, and see which one is going to remove your background the best, and then you can go ahead and keep it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.